guys, it's me Pat and welcome back again to another tutorial. For today's video, this is the 5th episode of our Java Taglish series for absolute beginners. Now in this chapter, this is the last lesson in this chapter which focuses on variables and data types, but this time we are going to talk about Boolean. Now please take note of the spelling ng Boolean kasi madalas ako nagkakamali sa spelling na yan. And hindi ko nanonotice na yan lang pala yung mistake ko pagdating sa coding. Kasi during that time, Notepad++ pa lang yung IDE na ginagamit ko. So, when we say Boolean, meron lang siyang dalawang values na ini-store. And that would be yung true na value at yung false na value. Now, what do I mean by this? So, let's try this in our IDE pagdating sa declaration and initialization nito. So, again, nandito yung ating classic na notes at ito naman yung ating IDE. So, try muna natin mag-declare ng Boolean at mag-initialize ng Boolean. So, katulad sa iba nating lessons, ang gagawin lang natin is to type the data type itself, which is Boolean. Ito yon. Tapos, next naman is yung ating variable name. So, let's say ang Boolean na to would be b true. Okay? Yan yung declaration. Tapos, mag-initialize tayo at ang value niya would be true. So, i-print lang natin yan. And that would be yung b true. Tapos, tignan natin yung magiging output. So, kung makikita nyo, kapag nirun natin yan, ang output niya would be true. Okay? So, next naman would be this one. Mag-declare at mag-initialize naman tayo ng isa pang Boolean, pero this time, ang value niya would be false. So, kung makikita nyo dito, yung v false, kapag nirun natin, ang kanyang value would be false. Okay? So, now if you're wondering kung dalawang values lang ba talagang ini-store ng Boolean, itry natin to. So, try natin yung Boolean na b true na tinatawag is baguhin natin yung value na to. Sabihin natin, gawin natin siyang true na string. So, kapag print natin yan, using this one, kung mapapansin nyo, kapag nirun natin, makikita nyo na cannot convert from string to Boolean. Now, what if this is the case naman? Yung true na value gawin natin is ang numbers. So, pwede ba yan? So, kapag nirun natin ulit, automatic cannot convert from int to Boolean. So, automatically, yung Boolean natin would be true or false lang talaga yung values yan. Now, balik lang natin to sa tama. Okay? I-try naman natin yung multiple declarations. Okay? So, katulad sa mga previous videos natin, so, in order to have multiple declarations, ganito lang yung ating format. So, we have Boolean, B1, B2, and B3. Tapos, yung ating semicolon. Ganun lang siya. Now, what if we want naman multiple declarations and initialization? So, ang gagawin lang natin would be Boolean, B4 is equal to true, B5 is equal to false, tapos ganyan siya. So, ganun lang kadali yan, guys. Tapos, try natin kung tama tayo. So, let's say, yung ating B4, i-print natin. Tapos, next naman natin dyan would be yung ating B5. So, kapag nirun natin yan, ang output nyan would be true, true, false. Kasi yung true would be etong B true. Yung true at false dito would be yung B4 at B5. Okay? So, I hope na may natutunan kayo in this chapter. So, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and please do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!